This is 49th problem. Let us check out. One number exceeds another number by 36. The sum of the numbers is 48. Then the numbers are. So let the first number be x. Let the second number is exceeds by 36. The second number be x plus 36, and they have given the sum of numbers is 48. So that's what x plus 36 is equal to 48. So 2x plus 36 is equal to 48. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 36. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 36 is 12. So x is equal to 6. Correct? Right, x is equal to 6. Now we are supposed to find the numbers. The first number is 6. The second number, substitute the value. So first number is 6. The next number will be 6 plus 36, which is going to be 42. If you add this, you are supposed to get 48. 42 plus 6 is 48. So that's what the answer is. Here is C. Hope you understood.